Hi, and welcome to Crandall Office Furniture. In this tutorial, we will show you how to properly reassemble a Steelcase Think chair. First, remove the package containing the two seat back bolts. Then take the seat back out of the box. Remove the seat back from the plastic wrap and place it off to the side. Then, grab the chair base by the seat, not the arms, and lift it out of the box and remove the plastic wrap. Make sure that the seat pan is in the forwardmost position. Next, lay the seat back on the seat pan. Then line up the seat back rail receivers with the seat back rail on the chair base. Lifting up on the seat back will allow the seat back to rotate up and slide onto the seat back rail. Once the seat back is in its upward position, make sure to line up the seat back bolt holes. Now, take the two supplied seat back bolts and hand thread them into their corresponding holes on either side of the seat back rail. Take either a drill with a T30 bit or use a torque number 30 driver and tighten the bolts. Take care not to over-tighten the bolts so as not to crack the seat back frame. If you use a drill or impact driver, set it to the lowest setting. When the bolts are installed, the process is complete. Thank you for watching this Crandall Office Furniture tutorial on how to properly reassemble a Steelcase Think chair.